I'm Prem.
From Store My Takeaway.
Welcome to our channel, everyone. Right, today we're in Sheffield City Centre, aren't we, Dev? On London Road, yeah? Busy street, yeah? Lots of food places, yeah? You can smell it on the street, lots of different cuisines. So, today we're at the famous Imrans. Is that right, Dev?
Yeah.
On London Road to check out some burgers because it's been recommended on the channel for us to come to Imran's and check out their fantastic fried chicken burgers. So, I've just been up to the counter with you, haven't I, Dev? Yeah. And we've just ordered some fantastic food. So, we've ordered a mixed doner fillet burger, yeah? So that sounds nice. That's £5.99. Spicy fried burger with lettuce, Imran's house special sauce, yeah? We've also ordered a mighty chicken fillet burger, spicy again, yeah? With a cheese slice, lettuce, mayo, but we've ordered it as a meal, that one. So for a meal, any burgers, you pay £2.50. You can choose from curly fries, potato wedges or fries, and a drink. So we've done that. So quite nice. And we've also, because of Dev, and everybody knows he loves wings, so we're going to order the peri-peri wings, but we ordered instead the buffalo wings, yeah? So 6 buffalo wings, $3.99. So altogether, it was £19.17 for 2 burgers, 1 wedges, 1 drink, and wings, yeah? But because you pay by cash, yeah, they've given a little discount. So £1.92 discount, so £17.25. So really excited for the food to come, yeah? Are you, Dev?
Yeah.
Really excited. So everybody knows about Imran, but I've never ever tried a chicken burger, have we, Dev? Yeah?
No.
But it's only because you guys saying, come to Imran's and try the chicken burger that we're here. So we'll wait for the food to come and we'll see how good it is, see how spicy the fillet burgers are, see how good the lamb doner is, the chicken doner and the wedges and everything else, and we'll give a star rating. Right, everyone, the food has just arrived to the table at Imran's on London Road in Sheffield. And it looks quite good, doesn't it, Dev? So what are we going to go for first?
Wings, I think.
Yeah? So these are, again, the 6 buffalo wings for £3.99. So, let's get it go, Dev. Looks like nice sauce coverage. Is it fried, this one? Right, this is a fried wing. So, they obviously do some grilled ones as well. But
nice sauce. Sharpness come through.
That was nice. It's got a fiery kick to it, though.
I wouldn't say too fiery, but it's nice. Nice, man.
Sauce. It was banging.
Stunning.
Isn't it?
Stunning.
It's a banging sauce. We're going to go for the peri-peri wings, but This is
These
quite
are
new.
nice.
This is quite new on the menu at the same. So we've gone for it, but it is nice. Sauce coverage on the wings.
Could taste the hint of sharpness on it. Bit of spiciness as well. Very, very nice. Done.
We're going for one more, or is it not?
Let's go one more.
Go, let's go
They're
one
very,
more.
very nice.
Nice sauce coverage. Really, really tasty.
There's a lot of sauce on this grill.
A nice
So I can
sauce that you
taste
can
it,
dip your wing in as well.
So I can
So really nice.
I
Lovely.
can taste the sauce a bit more. There's fiery chili tip. Nice and white,
Not bad sized wings as
chicken
well.
inside.
Decent sized wings. But the flavour of the sauce, the buffalo sauce is really, really nice. It's on point.
Good.
Yeah. Nice heat level. Yeah. Not over the top, but decent. Yeah, it's on the tongue. Yeah, that's sizzling. That sizzling chili cake in it.
It's nice.
But it's got a tang as well. We're getting that tang as well, Dev. A little bit of sharpness in there, in the background. Very nice. So a little clean up. Oh, yeah, very nice. Very, very
Good.
nice. So that's the doner one, I think. Yep, and this is a meal. So,
This is done on.
wow. So can I just show this one to everyone? So this one, everyone, is the mighty chicken fillet burger. So that's 2 fillets, spicy fillets, with wedges, yeah?
This is done on. It's quite heavy, you know.
That's it, Dev.
Look for that. Lovely.
So that one's the mixed doner. So that's chicken doner
Nice.
and lamb doner. So I'm just going to just pick this up. Lovely, I must just say, yeah.
Oh,
Look at it.
chicken.
Yeah.
So soft. Chicken.
Look,
Absolutely spot on.
look at the size of the bun. Yeah. So this is the mighty chicken fillet burger. So this is 2 fillets. But look at the bun. Look at that shine on the bun, the brioche bun. Lovely. It's holding up the weight of 2 spicy fillets, and it looks amazing. Yeah. Look at
Love's
that.
got a crispy.
Wow.
It was very crispy.
Let's just have a.
Chicken, absolutely stunning. Lovely sauce on there.
I'm just gonna show you everyone
Crispy one.
what the
Crispy
fillets. I
chicken.
mean, that's 1 fillet, spicy fillet, and it's 2. Yeah. That is pretty decent. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go for it. Oh yeah. Wow.
Nice. So white inside.
I've got a mayo.
Look at that.
Everyone, I've got a mayo moustache. Oh. Oh. So, on the burgers, you can have a choice of what sauce you want. So mayo, Imran special sauce, you got the hot chili sauce. Various different options there for you to choose from. But really, really nice.
Taste the hint of chili kick.
Oh.
Very, very nice.
Let me just show you some of this chicken, yeah? Look at that. They lost it. Pure white chicken breast. Lovely. Lovely and juicy. Little hint of
Stunning.
spice. Not too much spice, just a hint, yeah? But very tasty. Wow. That's nice. But people that like it a bit spicy, you can have the hot chili sauce on top, you know? Instead of mayo or instead of Imran's, have the hot chili on top. Huh?
Very, very nice. Love the chicken on there.
Wow.
Buns up as well.
This is a messy one, Dev. I think They've overloaded the mayo on it. Absolutely, but the chicken is stunning.
Let's have a little swap around, I think. Yep.
Oh, God.
Thank you so much.
Just rescued one of the staff members. So they were locked outside the fire exit, so just had to let them in, didn't I? That don't happen every day. These wedges, absolutely stunning. Wow. I'm gonna dip it on this buffalo sauce. Very nice. So Dev, you want to swap? Just take it easy. I think I messed that burger up.
Oh, not this again.
Have you got your tissue ready?
Yep.
You got one there on standby, so I think you need it.
Wedges, very, very nice, crisp.
Wedges are stunning. It's a Sheffield thing, yeah. It's a Yorkshire thing that, you know, you got these wedges and they look perfection. They're like roast potatoes sort of thing. Nice fluffy inside, crisp on the outside. Wow. You want to open it, Dev?
Oh, yeah.
So we've gone for Miranda as part of the meal deal.
Oh, it's this big.
Okay, there you go, Dev, whenever you want it. Shall I put it over there? Oh. So let's just try this doner.
Absolutely stunning chicken. Juicy, crisp, cooked to perfection.
Nice. It's nice to have a little bit of a mixture. So we've got the Imran's special sauce on this. It's quite nice. Got a bit of heat level to it. But the doner is really nice. The chicken doner is really moist, juicy.
Very, very nice.
And the lamb doner is delicious as well. Not dry. Again, juicy.
Absolutely stunning. Gotta stick on Miranda.
The chicken fillets have been cooked to perfection. I love it. It's a nice heat level. Good sized chicken fillets as well.
Bun's holding up.
The buns are holding up, yeah, brioche buns. They're not falling apart. We've done a few reviews, haven't we, where the buns have fallen to pieces, haven't they, Dev? But not this. Well, yeah, that was me wiggling it. But some weight to the buns. It's not going through it at all. I mean, that one that you've got there has got a lot of mayo on it, but it's still done well.
Alright,
Delicious. Combination of the lamb doner, the chicken doner, and the spicy chicken fillet is a knockout for me. Absolutely stunning.
it's nice. Last thing that we need to do is a star rating. You want to go to it?
Yeah, so fantastic food at Imran's in Sheffield on London Road. So we opted for the buffalo wings, 6 buffalo wings, fantastic flavour, lovely sauce, crispy wings, sauce, spice level perfection, yeah, really nice, and plenty of sauce in the tray as well for you to dip your wing into it again. Bang on. The mighty chicken fillet, spicy chicken fillet burger, is superb. Yeah, obviously on that we had the cheese slice and mayo. I think if I had to order it again, I'd probably go for Imran's special sauce on that, to be fair. But mayo's fine, but I think the Imran's sauce on the second burger is spot on. Yeah, the wedges as well, cooked to perfection, lovely and fluffy and light in the middle, crispy on the outside, fantastic, yeah. And the lamb doner, chicken doner, spicy fillet burger, fantastic. And like, I don't think it's a lot of money for what we paid, you know. So what, £17.25 with a discount of paying in cash, superb. Very, very busy place. So for me, everyone, star rating, honest star rating for me is a 9.5 star rating. Love the food at Imran's. Yeah, the burgers, mind-blowing. Really tasty. Over to you, Dev.
Right, the buns do hold up like we said. Chicken, absolutely stunning. I mean, I do like the Imran sauce because Imran's it's just stunning. Chicken is very, very nice, crisp, soft, white, and the wedges cooked to perfection. And where's the wings? I think we didn't finish them. They were that nice, so stunning. Absolutely stunning wings. Soft,
Chicken's amazing.
food hot, like I said. All like to you. So all the food has been pretty much decent. So for me, it's got to be a 9.5 star rating.
Yeah. So me and Dev both think that Imran's on London Road in Sheffield is a 9.5 star rating. Really, really good. Yeah, burgers top quality. And you can opt for fried chicken burgers, fillet burgers, or you can have grilled if you prefer grilled. So that's your option. They obviously do pizzas as well, kebabs, doner kebabs. They do mixed grills, they do fish as well. Endless menu, really good choice. Decent prices as well, but very, very busy place. And downstairs, yeah, they've got some, obviously some seating downstairs, but upstairs, they've got their own diner upstairs where you can sit with your family and friends and relax and have some good food, yeah? So, check out Imran's on London Road if you've not checked it. Let us know what you think of the food. Let us know what you think of the quality, the taste, and the flavours. And comment below. But really, really good experience. And we might be back, Dev. I'm going to try something else, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
It's fantastic quality food, so why not? And the menu's so big, so might try a kebab next time, innit?
Yeah.
Thank you for recommending for me and Dev to come to Imran's because we wouldn't have come if it weren't for you, so thank you. Anything to say, Dev?
So keep on watching our channel and subscribe to it. So until next time. So all I have to say is the famous Imrans in London Road, Sheffield. You're officially Star My Takeaway Food Reviews.